The Tipramotha party received a significant boost in the 17th backward Jala Jambu Jala constituency as 29 new voters from 5 families joined the party on Monday. The joining ceremony took place in Ramnath Thakurpara under the Radhapur village committee during an intensive election campaign led by party candidate Gita Debarma. The campaign trail saw a strong show of leadership with Gita Debarma accompanied by Biswajit Koloi, MLA Thakurjala and Ganesh Debarma MDC. The presence of senior leaders highlights the party's focus on retaining its stronghold in the TD-ADC areas as the election date approaches. Welcoming the new members with party flags, Gita Debarma emphasized that the growing support at the grassroots level reflects the people's trust in the Than Sakol.
Election hambai obo West Ratanpur o jagao chini agi ni chini purana bondo chini taku Onil bo IPF tini tongmani bo tini chini Tipramotha family o total khlai hapaikha haino hai ching thumsang lai ka hai chini election tongthokmani o jaga dui family 7 voters gai obon kita sekang aja chini taku bim ni family ajaga ek family 5 voters mane tini total chini 12 voters chini Tipramotha family wo join khlaika chin Tipramotha family extension ngi tong he mot ko kai so abo ngi tong bebak chini maharaja ni naharmung bai bini tuidulmung bai maharaj sau chungno thanchang lai ji chung tabuk tebo thanchang lai chung hambai joy
Reported by Biplov from Radhapur, Chini Kholang.